You guys want to know how to remove your door panel on your 2021 GMC Acadia? This is the rear door, passenger side. Remove the cover using a 90-degree pick or straight pick like this. This is a hook one. There's a Torx 15 inside. 1, 2, 3. And I think we're clear in the bottom. So all you have to do is a plastic seal, just like this, and then pry it in the bottom. Sorry. Torx 15. You hear the clip? Clip. Yeah. And lift the whole thing. What I did is remove this, just press it, and then lift the hook out. Then you can remove your lights there. Then the remote of your right there. Hey guys, also figure out how to remove your door handle, like the wirings inside. So you can see the wirings inside. Pop that out. There's a lock there. See it? What you do is push the lock out, then push this down, push, and then pull. There you go. Now you need a Torx 15. Oh, Torx, what is this? 25? This Torx 20 right there in your door. There, loosen it up, then wiggle this. Once it goes back out, take the whole thing. Don't drop it like what I did. There you go. That's how you remove your door panel. Oh, your door handle and a door panel of your 2021 Acadia AT4. Yeah, as I said, comes with all these clips all around.